Welcome to my tutorial on how I do the velocity effect on my CapCut edits. First, go to Overlay and select Stock Videos. Select the plain white image. Then adjust it so it is the length of the clip. Now make it so that the white is covering the whole clip. Next, go to Animation and select Fade Out. Then go to Blend and select Overlay. Now copy the one you just did for the clips you want velocity on. Now go to Video Effects and select Diamond Zoom. Adjust the effect to line up with the white overlay. Then adjust the effect to the way you want it. Lastly, copy the effect for the velocity parts. Here's a preview of what it should somewhat look like. Thanks for watching. You can find the full edit in the link in the description.